Innovative IELTS Essay Course Overview. It has straight musical videos, picture-guided analysis, formulated examples and functions, compared summaries and methods. One, picture-guided illustrations for abstract concepts, and in-depth explanations of essay paragraphs and sentences. 2. Showing how these essay layers and dimensions fit together, and how to run the whole mechanism. Three, analyzed each paragraph and sentence function in template with solutions, methods, and formulas. Four, explaining why must and how to deal with common mistakes. In-depth attack against conventional misunderstanding for essay blocks. 5. All of the above are summarized and organized in diagrams as picture-guided lectures. Also, the major examples are vocabulary as of levels of words, grammar up to functionalities, cohesion and coherence in method summaries. One, showing how to use sentence variety, signal words, and rhetorical devices for grammatical range of accuracy. 2. Teaching word choices for different sentence natures in paragraph and provide do's and don'ts, example categories. 3. Showing how to meet word count requirements by filling function forms and high-scored sentences. 4. Learn to use paragraph layouts for different question types and skill sets for all scored functions. 5. Practice an easy technique of brainstorming to generate both opinion and facts for a strong essay structure. Are you ready? Be trained to upgrade your scores and career. No more confusion and wasting time. Thank you for your persistence. Your effort and skills will be of great value.